Welcome to YZ News. Get ready for the future of aviation. The SR-72, also known as the son of Blackbird, is set to revolutionize the skies in 2025 as part of a top-secret U.S. plan. This hypersonic, high-altitude surveillance aircraft is designed to reach speeds of over 4,000 miles per hour, making it the fastest ever plane. It's capable of maintaining these incredible speeds for extended periods of time, setting a new standard in aviation technology. The SR-72 is a testament to Lockheed Martin's cutting-edge aircraft development. Scheduled to make its airborne debut in the mid-2020s, this revolutionary aircraft is a part of their advanced development programs, popularly known as Skunk Works. Reports suggest that the SR-72's design eliminates the need for a human in the cockpit, potentially revolutionizing how the military operates its planes. With its unparalleled speed and capabilities, the SR-72 is poised to redefine the future of aerial surveillance and defense. Please share, like, and subscribe YZ News for more updates.